Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Mary Professional and Law Institute. I am glad to get this opportunity to represent myself and tell you something about my topic, which is the recognition of state under the international law. As I have mentioned in my earlier videos that state is the main subject of the international law and there is not any appropriate definition of the state, but according to Salmond, state is a social group of person which is established for a specific purpose, that is the internal and external security. Now, recognition is a very most important topic under the international law. Recognition is a process by which a state becomes the member of the international community. In international law, recognition is a process whereby certain facts are accepted with a certain legal status, such as statehood, government, a definite territory, and an independent community. In Montevideo Convention 1933, it was mentioned that there must be 4 essential elements in any entity for the recognition of the state and for becoming the member of the international law. Those 4 essential elements are the permanent population, definite territory, and there must be a government, and it must be a sovereign. Sovereign, that means it has the capacity to enter into a relationship with another state. Recognition of state is a formal acknowledgement or acceptance of a new state as an international personality by the existing state of the international community. The state to become the entity to become a state under international law must have a political existence, and it should have a control over a definite territory, and that control should be permanent, and that community must be independent. It is said by some of the jurists that the state become the members of the international law only after the recognition by the existing state. But there are certain criticism about this same fact, which I have also mentioned in one of my videos. Now, after becoming the member of the international law, an entity or a state have some certain legal rights, which is they can sue in the court of existing state. They just get the retrospective effect for its past and present legislation. They get the sovereign immunity from the existing state. They get the sovereign immunity for itself from the existing state. After becoming the state, they can enter into diplomatic relations with another state. They get also the entitlement to the succession and possession of the property situated in the recognized state. So it is clear from this discussion that after becoming the member of the international law and the member of the international community, the state gets a lot of privilege, immunity and rights. As well as for becoming the member of the international law, a state must fulfill some of the essential elements through which they can get the recognition by the recognized state of the international community. That's it for the day. Thank you so much.